of self-importance, ambitions. It says that focusing too much yourself can ruin your relationship with God. We are told to avoid making big decisions without carefully thought and a prayer to recognize that even the best laid plans can go wrong. It takes emphasizes that God's strength is still available to us, but we must use it humbly and according His will, not our own selfishness desires. At the end, the message is one: faith, humility, reliance on God, guidance rather than our ambition. Why? Because ambition reduces your faith, spiritual life. Because ambition, cleverness make you falter. Laziness is evil, but when life has a principle and a justice is to be respectful, then it will bring success. Testimony, Volume 5, page 419. May God bless you this afternoon, and Shalom.